Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. This time funda la. Ngithi funda la. Uthi kuchazele ukuthi bekuzokwenzekalani uma kukuthi white South Africans make up roughly 7.7% of a population that is about 4.6 million people. However, they control a disproportionately large share of the country's wealth. According to USAS, white South Africans account for nearly 60% of the country's high-income earnings. Kushuthi without them, batshena ukuthi i-system izocollapse. Without them, bayitshena ukuthi umuntu omnyama will be nothing la ezweni. Uma isitha decided to leave, umnotho ungehla, irandi lingaba worthless, ukudla kuzobiza, and the people abazosufferisha the most is abantu abamnyama. But that doesn't mean ukuthi we won't recover. That doesn't mean ukuthi umuntu omnyama cannot run izwe lakhe. We will recover. It will take 2 to 3 years kodwa sizobuyela esimeni and okungcono sizo-improve, sizo-developa. We will become a powerful country esingadependile ebantwini. Many critical sectors in South Africa are still predominantly white-owned. For example, the agricultural sector, which contributes about 244 billion kwi-GDP and creates employment for abantu abangango 800,000. So it could lead to major agricultural collapse if ama-whites decided to leave ngoba ibona aba-owner ama-farm, ibona aba-owner amaplazi that give us the food we eat. Ungavumi when they tell you ukuthi umuntu omnyama knows nothing about agriculture. Ungavumi when they tell you that ama-white kuphela owner ama-farm, owner amaplazi. You have to understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama can also do it too. Ukuthi uhulumeni nale system yakhe uyasincisha i-opportunity. Umuntu omnyama can plant, umuntu omnyama uyavuna, umuntu omnyama knows the land. Kodwa it's the government esincisha i-opportunity. So if ama-whites kwenzeka one day ehamba, we will rebuild and South Africa will be better. With over 72% of private land owned by ISITA, a mass